Hey everyone, as promised, here is a screen share of the customer factor. You guys are going to want to see this because it's going to blow your mind what this will be able to do for your business. But before we start, take a look at that, pause pause the screen, and take some notes. I need you guys to go follow me on that and add me if you want to stay in touch and communicate with me when I'm not on YouTube. Check me out on there. Also, I want to talk to you about something. I'm you see how all these are different. I need to stop with that. I need to get a brand built. I'm looking for something catchy, something unique. You know, John Lang, Big John, Big Dog Lang, something, I don't know. But I need your help. I need you guys to email me at the address I just showed with some of your branding ideas, something catchy. Um, if I pick one of your guys' branding ideas, all you have to do is have the idea. Just send me some catchphrase. Then to be something elaborate, just the catchphrase, something I should call my YouTube channel and something I should use to like relate, and we can kind of create like this cool clique, like a squad. Um, if I pick your idea, if I choose your idea, I will send you $100. Not even kidding. I'll seriously send you $100. So you got nothing to lose. Anyway, let's get to this. You guys, I want to let you know I'm not paid by the Customer Factor. I'm not an affiliate. There's nothing. I'm just a very, very happy customer of the Customer Factor. Um, I haven't used many. I haven't used really any other sites, but I have seen what some of them have to offer, and I don't see them offering stuff like this. I could be wrong, and if I am, let me know. But I'm not going to say the names of any other places because I haven't used them. So I'm not going to badmouth anyone, but I'm pretty sure the customer factor is its whole other monster. This is complex stuff that they're creating. Um, so let's go down the list of things I use, and I use only certain ones. I don't use all of them. For example, I don't use estimate rule, which would mean they let it sends them an email when I schedule an estimate because I don't schedule estimates. I just get to them whenever I can. So here's the email when someone accepts a estimate, accepts a bid. They get a congratulations. You're part of the team. Looking forward to a long-lasting partnership. It lets them know kind of the process, just a few bullet points. It puts in the disclosure that we do use video footage on job sites to keep up with our online presence and up-to-date media, before and after shots, training purposes, damage documentation. Um, Please keep your yard clear of dog droppings or any droppings for that matter. Hee hee. Let us know if we can't leave a yard sign. Otherwise, I will assume it's okay. This is really helpful stuff because I can just leave yard signs in everyone's yard, even if they didn't give me the okay, because I already talked to them about it. If they didn't say anything back, I'm assuming it's okay. I let them know we're going to email 3 days prior to service to let just with an appointment reminder. And that appointment reminder is automated. All of this is automated, you guys. I don't press send. I don't email these people. All I do is put in the estimate. If they accept it, all of these emails go to them on their own scheduled time. I don't do any of it. Um, I just make the email once. I make these little emails and I tweak them to be real nice, and I make it once and it sends it to all my clients. That's the trick, is consistency. That's why I have so many consistent 5-star reviews. It's because I'm consistently treating all my clients the same. I'm not, my clients don't get John. They don't get John when he's tired and not feeling like sending emails and stuff, because all that stuff's sent for me. This shows some expectations. If we're doing a window cleaning, please do these things for us. If we're doing a house wash, please do these things for us. If we're doing gutter cleaning, please keep your vehicles out of the driveway. Go ahead and put us on the calendar. We'll see you then. Um, the yard sign email. This goes 7 days after we have completed the job, and it just says, "Hey, I was about to come out there and grab a yard sign, but I wanted to shoot you an email and basically ask if the yard sign's still up before I came out." Would it be all right to come out maybe this weekend and pick up that yard sign? If the wind took it, or it seems to have vanished, it's all right. It happens all the time. Just let me know either way. I don't want to make a wasted trip, so just let me know, please. And thanks a lot. And I also put in a survey. I have a survey that I'll show you. If you have time, we'd love to hear about your experience. We really appreciate any and all feedback. Um, the receipt, you guys need to see that. It's just the receipt. Here's one. Whenever someone calls and wants to and inquires about a service like a house wash or whatever, it just says welcome and lets you know how we kind of do things. Thanks so much for the opportunity to present our services. Chances are a friend or family member referred you. Um, I want to let you know how we do estimates. 90% of the time, I don't need access inside of your home. I'll just do a property walk. Um, we're a multi-service company, meaning we offer multiple services and will most likely give you multiple estimates, even if you only asked for one. You never know if you may need it in the future. Um, with all this being said, I'm excited to meet you. It's a quick, easy, painless process. Um, I'll take care of the rest. Sit back, relax, give me a few days to get over there and look at your home. I will have a proposal to you by the end of the day on Sunday at the absolute latest, if not sooner. That takes so much stress off of me because I'm a one-man show essentially. So I don't have to race around and do estimates within 24 hours of getting these calls. If I get an estimate, I'm going to try to get over there as soon as I can, but sometimes you can't get to it. And I end up doing tons of estimates on Saturdays and Sundays, and it sucks, but it's way better than working super late and just being exhausted and not wanting to do estimates and having to do them. I created this business so I could kind of do what I wanted to do. And you'll find out real quick, you'll become a slave to your business if you don't put expectations in place, if you don't kind of loosen up the stress and you know, so that's that. Don't you can't promise people you'll be there within 24 hours to do an estimate if you got a ton of stuff going on. Maybe once you build a crew and you build solid employees and you actually have like a guy dedicated to doing estimates, maybe you could promise stuff like that. But when it's yourself and you're super busy, there's no way. Um, and then this is a cool one. After we provide a proposal, and they haven't responded. After 5 days, they haven't responded. They get an email asking, "Hey, is everything all right? Was there any questions?" I know the proposal offers a lot or includes a lot. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And then there's what is there? Four more emails, and they're all different. They all say different stuff. This one's kind of corny. Hi ho, it's off to work we go. Oh, except I noticed we're not providing service at percent job location partial. So it'll say like their street address. Like it personalizes the email and it's automated. How cool is that? Please contact us. We'll put you on the schedule as soon as we can. We really care about taking care of our customers. We'd like to eliminate the need for them to remember to call us. All you have to do is reply to this email with "Let's go." That's it. Or if it's easier for you, just simply call us at blah, blah, blah. Either way, we're here. Thanks once again for the opportunity. Take care. Have a great day, first name. Did you guys see what this is able to do? And I got two others. I don't need to pull them up. They're just different emails. And then we got the employees. You can punch your employees in, and then you can email your employees what the job entails. So they're prepared for the next day. They kind of know what to expect. Um, what else can I show you? Oh, this is really cool. You're gonna want to see this. This is a new thing they rolled out, and I love it. So they generate a URL for you because otherwise, if you just give them a link in the email to ask for a review, It'll only take you to like this, like right here, and then they'll have to click on it. They'll have to select how many stars. They'll have to write. It takes too much time. We live in a world where the attention span is like no more than a goldfish. So they generate a URL, and when they click the URL, it takes them, boom, already selects 5 stars. All they got to do is, great work. I love these guys. blah, just something quick, and then they're done. They could do that while cooking dinner. Um, Crap, what I do? Okay, so, and if that's not enough, so the review asking is automated. So they get one, just saying, hey, would you mind? And this is cool. It says, one of the ways our business has grown and continues to grow is through word of mouth. So in order to continue to get the word out, please answer this question. And then it says percent review percent. I was like, what the heck's the question? That doesn't make any sense. So I looked up here and it says see example. So what they see is, would you recommend us? Yes or no? And when they click yes, boom, takes them straight to the Google review thing. That's pretty awesome. And if they don't get to it the first time, don't worry. I'll email you 7 more times. Maybe you'll get it that time. They're bound to leave a review, especially if it's that easy, and especially if we did an awesome job, and especially if we're asking nicely every time. They're going to leave a quick review. So this is beautiful. This is how you're going to get your reviews up. These guys are genius over here at the Customer Factor, I'm telling you. Um, let's see if I can show you one more thing. Let's check out the big proposal. I'll give you guys a preview of what mine looks like right now, and I'm actually going to be working on tweaking it a little more because we got some better pictures now, some more testimonials, and I just want to add to it and make it even better and better and better. So it says Heather's, I guess, an example name, just an introduction, um, our insurance liability, a W-9 form, which I have to fix. I don't want that to be typed in. Before and after photos. We're at the high school, Hossa Ross, this really dirty window, just cleaning windows, commercial windows, American flag, water fed pole, screen cleaner. You get the idea. We got testimonials, and I got tons more. I got like over 30. Additional services. I just put something together real quick. Just kind of listing other stuff we do. This is a true fact. Just soft washing the exterior of a home or business can add upwards of $10,000 to the property's value. And then finally, they get a proposal. It shows this. And you, again, all automated. So you create what the service is with some description to it. And then you just click, you just select it and put a number. All you pretty much have to do is you get the customer's information and they want window cleaning. You click on the drop box, basic, deluxe, premium, and then you type in the numbers. Essentially, all you're doing is having to type in numbers because they obviously can't do the estimate for you. Everything else is taken care of, baby. And in closing, this. So, guys, this is a really important service. This Customer Factor thing. I just really can't vouch for it enough. I know I probably said that a million times, but I'm busy as hell. Like, business is tough. Like, I'm always creating, trying to create stuff. Like, example here is something I worked on today. It's a pre-existing damages report, and that's for the more like the exterior stuff. So common things we run into, I would check a box. Anything that was left out here, and then an acknowledgement, basically them saying they agree we did not cause the damage and they're willing to move forward with service, and they sign the name. And then on the other side is a pre-existing damage report, more for the interior stuff, like window cleaning. So cracked or broken window, seized window, stained carpet, acknowledgement, sign. And then I can keep this on file. So if anything happens, which really never does, but you never know, it could. If they ever try to say we ruined something, I just pull it up. I got it in my little folder. You say, well, they signed right here. We documented that this was an issue, and they agreed that we did not cause it. So, whew. All right, that was a long video, but I felt like I never stopped talking. I'm gonna get off of here, but hey, again, help me out with that branding. Shoot me an email. I know you guys are creative. Think of something catchy for me. I'm having someone create a little logo, like a watermark for me, but I need like a brand logo, catchy phrase type situation. So yeah, we'll catch you next time, guys. Peace out.